guys, today we are going to draw a cute bear. Let's begin. To draw a cute bear, first we are drawing the head. A circle. And an eye. Another. So color inside. It's all done. And then shaded inside. And she didn't. Next. So next we are drawing a big cute smiley. And a big cute smiley. And a ear. And 2 ears. And 2 ears. And the body. And the leg. Next we are drawing hands. And then next we are drawing next the flowers. We draw one sunflower. Next we are drawing